In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Shopify store in Australia in a straightforward step-by-step approach. Whether you're starting a brand new online store or moving a pre-existing store from another location, I'll guide you through the process to make it as seamless and stress-free as possible. So, let's dive right in. If you're tuning in from Australia and you're not using a VPN that's set to another country, you're in luck because your Shopify account will automatically recognize your location. All you have to do is head over to shopify.com. Once there, you'll notice a prominent button that says Start for Free. Just give that a click and you'll be well on your way to creating your account. It's a quick process, and Shopify walks you through the basics in a very user-friendly way. Just follow the prompts to fill out your details, and you'll be setting up your online store in no time. For those of you who already have a store and are considering migrating it to Australia, the process is a tad different, yet straightforward. First, you're going to want to navigate to your store's settings. You can find this by looking to the bottom left of your dashboard screen. There, you'll see the Settings option. By clicking on this, Shopify will bring you to a menu where you'll find your online store details along with your billing address. Now, this is an important step because it ties your store to an Australian address, which is crucial for setting taxes, currencies, and any location-based services. Hover over your billing address. You'll notice a pen icon magically appear. This icon allows you to edit your address details. Go ahead and click it. Now, replace your existing address with your Australian store address. Double-check that all the details are correct before proceeding, because you certainly wouldn't want any mishaps when it comes to billing or shipping. Accuracy is key here. After that, your next move is to adjust the shop's physical location on Shopify. On the left-hand panel of your dashboard, you'll spot an option labeled Locations. Clicking on this will take you to a screen where you can not only update, but ensure that your shop address matches with your new Aussie location. It's as simple as filling in the fields and hitting save. And just like that, you've successfully set up your Shopify store in Australia or migrated an existing one to this sunny side of the globe. With everything accurately updated, you're ready to focus on what you love, running your business and catering to your customers in Australia. So, go ahead, upload your products, personalize your store layout, and get ready to share your passion with the world. Thanks for following along. And until next time, happy selling down under.